So hi everybody. So what if your manager asks you to split this full name into first, middle and last name? So what you can do is you can type only for the first name. Like for example, you have Brian and then you have Charlie's and you have Lara. So once you have pressed this, all you have to do now is press on Control E. Alright, so the word is Control and E together, and here as well you go and press on Control E, and again similarly here Control E, and you will see your job is done. Hardly takes any time. Now I will show you another method. You select column A, alright, and click on data. So you have a ribbon called data here. So you click on data, you go to text to columns, you click on text to columns, you will see a window popping up. So you know that each of these names have been split with a space. So what you do is you click on next here, and here in these delimiters you keep the ticked mark, okay, and you will see the full name will get split based on the space. When you click on next and finish it, you will see the data will come as it is, and you can just change the header, right? So that's how simple it is. All right, thank you everybody for watching.